Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you in-depth reviews of the latest and greatest tech products. In today's episode, we'll be diving into the Samsers Foldable Bluetooth Keyboard with Touchpad, a portable wireless keyboard designed for various devices.
We'll explore its features, performance, and whether it's worth your hard-earned money. Let's get started.
The Samsers Foldable Bluetooth Keyboard is incredibly thin and foldable, making it highly portable. It's perfect for on-the-go professionals, travelers, and students who need a keyboard that won't take up too much space in their bag. This keyboard comes with a free stand holder that provides the perfect screen angle for your device. Whether you're using a tablet or laptop, this holder enhances your productivity by keeping your device at an ideal viewing position. One of the standout features of this keyboard is its sensitive touchpad. It supports multi-touch gestures, allowing you to control your device without the need for a separate mouse.
The built-in rechargeable battery is a real star here.
It can last up to 48 hours of use or an impressive 560 hours on standby after just 2 to 3 hours of charging.
Say goodbye to frequent recharging during your travels or workdays.
The Samsers Bluetooth keyboard seamlessly connects to iOS, Android, and Windows devices, offering versatile compatibility. You can switch between your devices effortlessly, thanks to its stable connection within a 10-meter range. Made of durable ABS plus PC material, this keyboard is designed to withstand daily wear and scratches. The dark gray matte exterior not only looks elegant but also feels great to the touch. With a 4.3 out of 5-star rating and over 2,780 reviews on Amazon, it's clear that many users are satisfied with this keyboard's performance and convenience. The Samsers Foldable Bluetooth Keyboard is priced at $31.99, making it an affordable option for those seeking a portable keyboard with a touchpad.
It also comes with a 30-day return, refund, or replacement policy and lifetime technical support from Samsers.
The Samsers Foldable Bluetooth Keyboard with Touchpad is a compelling choice for anyone in need of a portable and versatile keyboard.
Its compact design, sensitive touchpad, and long battery life make it a great companion for work or travel. With positive user reviews and an affordable price point, it's definitely worth considering for your next tech accessory purchase.
That wraps up our review of the Samsers Foldable Bluetooth Keyboard with Touchpad. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth product reviews. Thanks for watching.